best investment you can make for the health and longevity of your garden is in your soil. So why settle for synthetic products that can harm your soil, plants, and food? Instead, choose an organic solution that naturally supports your garden season after season. Meet the Karrikaid Vegetable Starter Kit, the all-in-one solution for gardeners who want better soil without damaging synthetic additives. Starting off with our organic Karrikaid Vegetable Booster and Persist Biochar. These two ingredients supercharge your soil's natural structure and create a solid foundation for your plants and seedlings. Karrikaid and biochar work together to unlock soil nutrients, retain water, and help build essential microorganisms to create a lasting impact on soil quality, leading to a thriving garden and richer soil that actually gets better year after year. To make setup easy, the kit includes gardening gloves, a trowel, and an apron, along with non-GMO seeds for tomatoes, bell peppers, and zucchini, so you can start planting right away. With organic soil boosters, non-GMO seeds, and essential tools, you'll have everything you need to plant, grow, and enjoy a thriving garden. Order your Karrikaid Vegetable Starter Kit today.